Hi, I'm Salem Bush, a planner with the Planning Division of the Department of Planning and Development. Let's talk about how county public facilities are approved for construction and why they are important. Ultimately, constructing a new public facility can be a complex process. Before a facility is constructed, it must be planned, funded, reviewed, and permitted. Many agencies and representatives of the county work together to complete this process. In the Planning Division, we play a major role in the review process for new public facility projects. This is called a 2232 Public Facility Review Process, where we make sure the proposed project is aligned with the county's adopted comprehensive plan. The comprehensive plan is a guide for land use decision-making in the county. Through the 2232 review process, we make sure the facilities meet the intent of the comprehensive plan by considering the location, character, and extent of the facility.
Generally, we ensure that the facilities provide excellent access for residents, be compatible with the surrounding area and uses, meet growing demands for services provided by the county, be advertised so residents are notified of potential projects, and align with the county-wide strategic goals and policies.
We're excited to bring forward
Planning staff provide recommendations to the Fairfax County Planning Commission, who ultimately make final 2232 decisions that proposed facilities align with the comprehensive plan.
Public facilities provide critical services to the people that live, work, and play within our Fairfax County community. Many of these services contribute positively to the health and well-being of every resident of the county, such as providing fire stations and schools. The building infrastructure are the workplaces for emergency responders that are dispatched in the case of a fire, crime, or a critical health issue. These facilities also provide fun places where residents can relax, enjoy the outdoors, and explore learning experiences in a park, community center, or library. Public facilities and utilities provide the basic critical infrastructure for a community. In addition, the county provides expansive services through many of these public facilities that greatly improve the quality of life for all residents throughout the county.